Number 2 is Zebra ZT410 Wireless Thermal Label Printer. In this modern age of technology, where advancements are constantly made, discovering an exceptional wireless printer priced under $2,000 is not only a feasible undertaking but also an exciting opportunity. Among the wide array of options available, one printer that takes center stage is the Zebra ZT410 Wireless Thermal Label Printer. With its sleek design, cutting-edge features, and unmatched reliability, this printer has become an undeniable game-changer in the printing world. The Zebra ZT410 is a remarkable printer, unleashing a wave of efficiency with its impeccable functionality and reliability. Its wireless capabilities go beyond the ordinary, providing seamless connectivity for all your printing needs. But this powerhouse is not just about performance, it's also a visual delight. With its sleek design and pristine body, it adds a touch of style to any workspace. The Zebra ZT410 stands out with its impressive battery life, consistently surpassing 80% of its original capacity. Whether you're printing labels or documents, this printer goes above and beyond effortlessly. While the accessories may not be brand new, rest assured they are fully functional and compatible, neatly packaged in a generic box. If your Zebra ZT410 fails to meet your expectations within 90 days, Amazon offers a seamless process for replacement or refund. If you're interested in this thermal label wireless printer, check out the link in the description box below.